Kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang Bluetooth speaker, both in terms of sound quality and aesthetics, isama na din natin ang build quality and features, baka makatulong sa inyo ang video na ito. In this video, i-compare natin ang dalawang Bluetooth speaker from Marshall, ang Marshall Whelen 2 at ang Marshall Emberton 3 na pinadala sa atin ng mga kaibigan natin from Digital Walker. With that said, let's get into it. As always, honest disclaimer, this video is not paid, pero gaya nga ng sinabi ko, pinadalan tayo ni Digital Walker ng Marshall Whelen 2 and Marshall Emberton 3 para i-review, and may kasama nga din itong Marshall tote bag, which is nice. Thank you po. Alright, so simulan natin sa unboxing para magkaroon kayo ng idea what to expect pag bumili kayo ng mga speakers na ito. Box pa lang mararamdaman mo na talaga yung pagka-premium ng mga Marshall products simulat sa pool. Around the box, meron tayong mga brandings and product details, and dito sa likod makikita nyo din yung mga key features, pati na nga din yung SRP. Pero check nyo pa rin sa online stores nila, baka may discount pa. Pagbukas ng box, meron tayong isa pang mas maliit na box, check natin yan mamaya. Then meron tayong parang envelope dito, tingin ko para sa paperwork. And of course, yung Marshall Whelen 2 Bluetooth speaker itself. Inside the small box, meron tayong USB Type-C charging cable. And gaya nga ng hula ko, dito naman makikita natin yung usual paperwork gaya ng quick start guide and legal and safety guide. Kung makikita nyo, well protected talaga yung product sa loob. Bago natin silipin yung Marshall Whelen 2, unbox na din muna natin yung Marshall Emberton 3. Same premium quality packaging with details around the box, kasama na nga din yung price dito sa likod. So medyo mas mahal ng konti si Marshall Emberton 3 and maririnig nyo mamaya kung bakit. Yung package contents niya halos same lang din naman. Meron tayong maliit na box dito, yung envelope na may paperwork, at yung Marshall Emberton 3, and same lang din naman pati yung protection sa loob ng box. Meron din tayong USB Type-C cable dito for charging, and yung quick start guide and legal and safety guide paperwork. Now, looking at the Marshall Whelen 2, unang hawak mo pa lang, makikita at mararamdaman mo na agad yung premium quality ng design and build construction niya, at least when compared sa ibang mga brands. Same lang naman ang design niya with the original Marshall Whelen, pero mas na-improve na yung durability niya with an IP67 dust and water resistant rating. So dito sa harap, meron tayong mesh grill with an iconic Marshall logo. Then we have a 5-way joystick here. Tapos sa taas, meron tayong power button, Bluetooth pairing button, LED indicator, microphone, and yung battery level LED indicators. Tapos sa palibot, just the rugged rubberized layer. And dito naman yung USB Type-C port for charging. Tapos dito sa likod, meron tayong 4 na feet. Tapos mga butas dito, I think para ito sa dalawang passive radiators niya. Tapos meron din tayong rubber strap para pwede mo ito i-mount kung saan-saan, like sa handlebar ng bike or kung saan mo man maisip. Overall, napakaganda ng design and construction nitong Marshall Whelen 2. Pagdating naman sa weight, nasa 357.3 grams lang siya. As for the Marshall Emberton 3, halos same lang naman ang design and build quality nila. Naiba lang ng form factor. Rugged din naman ang look and feel with the same mesh grill and Marshall logo sa harap. Sa taas, we have the Bluetooth pairing button, the power button, a microphone, and mas malaking 5-way joystick, and LED indicator para sa battery status. Dito naman sa side, yung USB Type-C port for charging, and a loop para pwede mo lagyan ng lanyard. Sa likod naman, may mga details lang tayo dito, gaya ng certifications. And then, nasa 672 grams naman ang bigat nito, so mas solid ang feel niya compared sa Marshall Whelen 2. Now, sa Marshall Whelen 2, maliban sa IP67 na ang rating niya, extended na din yung frequency response niya hanggang 75 Hz, and mas malakas na din siya up to 88 decibels from 82 decibels ng original Whelen. Nag-improve na din yung battery life niya up to 17 hours from 15, and better na din ang Bluetooth connectivity niya with version 5.3 LE from 5.0. Pagdating naman sa Marshall Emberton 3, same with the Whelen 2, IP67 na din ang rating niya. Mas improve na din ang audio quality niya with a wider soundstage, tapos yung battery life niya up to 32 hours na din from 30 hours. And gaya ng Whelen 2, 5.3 LE na din siya from 5.0 in terms of Bluetooth. So overall, halos same lang sila ng mga naging upgrades ng Marshall Whelen 2. Alright, so may application support din pala itong Marshall Whelen 2 and Emberton 3 kung makikita nyo rito. So makikita nyo yung battery life, and pwede nyo iset yung battery preservation depending on your preference. So pwede nyo iset standard para malimit yung maximum charge niya to 95%. Pwede nyo rin iset sa medium para babaan niya yung charging speed niya. And pwede nyo rin iset sa max para ilimit pa niya lalo yung charging speed para mas tumagal yung battery life. So aside from that, of course, meron tayong mga EQ preset. Ang kanyang standard is yung Marshall na iconic sound signature niya. Tapos pwede mo rin i-bass boost, and of course, kung gusto mo i-enhance yung voice. Other than that, pwede mo makontrol directly dito yung pinapakinggan mong music either from YouTube, YouTube Music, Spotify, and others. Makokontrol mo dito directly yung playback niya. So aside from that, meron din tayong about dito kung saan pwede kang mag-update ng firmware, makita mo yung mga details about your device. So, basic lang siya pero useful pa rin naman, especially kung gusto mong baguhin yung sound signature at kung gusto mo pang i-enhance or i-preserve yung battery life ng unit mo. So, with that, tara, pakinggan naman natin yung sound test between the Marshall Whelen 2 and the Marshall Emberton 3. Now, gaya ng usual speaker sound test natin from the past, hindi ako nag-base sa volume level lang, kundi sinet ko bawat speaker in terms of decibel levels around 70 to 80 decibels para mas fair yung comparison at a normal listening volume.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorant. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorant. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take. You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take.
Halos di naman nagkakalayo ang sound nila pero napansin ko na mas solid yung tunog ng Marshall Emberton 3, especially pagdating sa low end. Also, mas malakas siya in terms of volume. Parang 50% volume pa lang solid na ang tunog niya compared sa Marshall Whelen 2 na around 75%. But overall, any of the two, solid ang sound quality and syempre pati na din ng design, construction, and features. And there you have it guys, salamat sa pagnood. Maraming salamat kay Digital Walker for sending this in. Lagay ko sa description yung link if you're interested. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a great day guys, you're awesome.